In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp business download problem from Play Store, or how to fix cannot download WhatsApp business. For fixing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, tap on force stop, tap on OK, then tap on storage and cache, then clear the storage, then delete. Now click on permission, allow all permission. Now search Play Service, tap on Google Play Service, tap on storage and cache, clear cache, then force stop, then OK. Now open Play Store app. Now click on your profile icon. Now click on settings, then click on network preference, then click on app download preference, make it over any network, then OK. Now search WhatsApp business. Now click on install. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp business download problem or cannot download WhatsApp business from Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.